5, Jay?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Good job. So those macaronis will become the nutrients in the blood. Okay? So you will see what will happen if the nutrients of the blood when they go to the kidney.
The dirty blood feeds into a
Those are bloods with nutrients and dirty blood. Water that will be
Tell me to stop.
the blood, okay?
I
It's a
wonder if it's
pretend.
going to sing off loud and not.
You'll see. It will be the blood. Okay, enough. Oh, yours, Jay. You put water.
Tell yourself to stop. Okay. It sinks.
Okay.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, sure. You can feel it.
It
What does
feels
it
like
feel?
the same. It feels like the same.
Okay. What does it feel?
It's like the same.
And then we will put a yellow food coloring just to
And you need a grown-up to help you.
you can do it.
It's turning orange to yellow.
Sorry.
Too much.
Too much. Yeah.
Mine is light orange and yours is dark orange. This looks like orange. That looks like not really like orange. Mine is like orange. Can we touch it or not?
You can touch it. So now here is our
My hand is not going to turn orange.
Yes.
Even if door is going to turn orange.
yeah.
I mean yellow.
Okay, so now ate, this is our replica of urinary
System.
Good job. So these are
Kelly?
kidneys, 2 kidneys, right? And this is the ureter, 1 and 2. And this is the, what's this? The bladder, yes. Ew. So this is our pretend blood. Ew.
It looks like orange blood.
Yeah, it's a pretend blood. And the macaroni will stand as the nutrients. So when we pour it there, when we pour the blood, when the blood goes to the kidney will gonna filter the blood, and then the clean blood will go back to the body with the nutrients, and the dirty blood will gonna go down to the ureter. It will gonna mix with some fluid and then go to the bladder.
And then big wee.
Yeah, and then what the bladder does, it holds the wee, right? And when the time comes that the bladder is full, what do you need to do? You go to the restroom and pee. So this is our toilet.
It's a little toilet.
Okay, so you wanna do the activity now? You need to pour it there, huh?
Okay.
There in the middle. There you will gonna pour the blood. Oh, you stand up. Stand up, ate. Oh, Jay, you hold this.
It looks like orange juice.
You wait. You pour it inside there, EJ.
And I'm going to pour it.
Okay.
I like the white one.
1, go. You pour it inside, Jay. In the kidney. You pour it inside the kidney.
I'm so scared.
1, 2, 3. Oh, you pour it there inside the kidney. Ate, it's your turn. So you look. What happened to the bladder?
It's getting full. Getting full. And also the macaroni.
Because the macaroni is the
nutrients.
Yeah. The macaroni is the nutrients. They are stuck inside the kidney. Then now, look at our bladder. You look. Earlier, the bladder is small, right? And now it's squishy. You hold it. You hold it squishy. It's full of water. Oh, you hold the toilet.
What is toilet got?
Because it's time to go. Ate, ate.
Ah, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yui.
This is a lot tricky. This is a tricky experiment I never seen.
Yeah, there's the
I got one hand. Ah.
Then now your bladder is clean. Mhm. Urinary system.
Bye-bye.